I'm Lydell with Tilmor, and today we're going to be talking about the plastic lifter and winder. So Tilmor is developing a plastic winder that is both simple, basic mechanical, and can be used with a lower horsepower tractor down to 20 horsepower. There are some options out there. Most of them are built around just the lifting concept. So they'll lift up the plastic and loosen the soil around it, and then individuals will come and roll it up by hand. It's a very labor-intensive job, but having the option to both lift and wrap the plastic at the same time with one unit is of definite advantage. There are two parts to the system, plastic lifter and winder. We're going to be focusing on the plastic lifter at this time. This is a different concept than most often you see. It uses two 20-inch notch disc blades. They cut and lift. And the reason why is because we want to be able to use the lifter on a lower horsepower tractor. And by having the ability to turn as they cut grass or weeds or things like that, it allows it to track much better through the field. We use 2-inch U-bolts on a 2-inch bar, which allows us infinite ability to slide left and right and also oscillate the blades depending on soil structures or weed pressure or your unique plastic. Spins on a non-greasable IGUS bushing, so they're easy to be replaced and low maintenance and low cost. As we move over here, it's important to note perhaps the most important feature of the plastic winder is the fact that it's ground driven. Whatever speed you're traveling, this is spinning versus a hydraulic system where you have to monitor the speed and engage it differently according to the speed of your tractor. With the lug tires and the belt system, it allows this to spin what you might say backwards. So that it is pulling the plastic this way, naturally shedding dirt and debris from the plastic. Over here you can see the tensioner. This allows us to spin freely, or by setting a few notches, you can either increase the tension, allowing less slippage, or decrease the tension, allowing to slip more, depending on the size of the roll and as you move through the field. You have the guides, which help guide the plastic and condense it to be centered on the spool. Also, it helps shed some of the dirt as it's coming up and debris, as well as there are adjusted so you can try different angles depending on your need. That also allows the ability for larger plastics to keep that condensed closer in. So you can see we have the adjustable toolbar stands attach onto the 2-inch toolbar with the U-bolts, and allows it for an easy connect and disconnect at the end or the beginning of the day. So there's a multitude of benefits to having a system like a winder, and one of them is having the ability to have a nice consolidated roll of plastic, so it's much easier to dispose of. If you pick up the plastic by hand, it becomes a very loose roll and can be very bulky. Where this is a tight roll, allowing you to be able to take it off easily and move it around easily. Obviously, there's a clear benefit to being able to lift up front and wrap on the back, but these can be used on other compact or other utility tractors. If you already have a lifter and you don't need those discs, no problem. If you don't, you can use them and just put them on the rear 3-point hitch. Similarly, this can go on the rear of a 3-point hitch of another commercial compact tractor as well. Thank you for watching this video on the Tilmor plastic lifter and winder. For more information, visit tilmor.com.